Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make a jumping origami frog. So all you'll need is a square piece of paper. It can be any size, but you want to make sure that it is a square. So the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half like that and fold it in half again. Then unfold it. You will have a crease down the middle. You're going to want to fold diagonally, unfold, do the other side. So you should have an X. You want to do the same thing for this other little square. Unfold. And unfold. Right. So you'll have one line down the middle and two X's on each side. So now we're going to make two more lines. So you'll want to fold your first X just right down the middle. So you'll have a line down the middle of your X. Do the same thing for the other one. Unfold, and you'll have two X's and three lines down the middle. Okay, now you're going to want to flip it over, and you're going to want to push in your X's. This is probably the hardest part. It might take a couple of tries. Okay, so it should look like that. And do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so when both of your X's are pushed in, one side will look like this, the other side will look like this. Okay. So you're going to want to take this side and put the corners up. So you'll have that. And then fold them up one more time. You're going to be making the little frog's feet. Once they're folded up, like that. Do the same thing for the other side. Fold them up. Okay, fold them up and fold them back again. Alright, so it should look like that. We're going to want to flip it over like this and fold the sides in so you get kind of like a kite. So I folded both sides in like that. Looks like a kite with little legs. And then you're going to take this part and fold it down. And you can kind of tuck it under the two folds that we just did. Right? So I folded it down and folded these back over. So this is going to be the frog's head. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is turn it over again, fold the bottom to the top. This is a little bit tricky because of all the folded paper, but doing this makes sure that your frog will jump. So it's fold it up and then fold this up one more time. This is where it gets hard. So it's kind of all squished in there. Okay, and then unfold those two folds we did and kind of tuck them under the frog. So you'll get it like this. And then you can, if you just press the top of the back, you see, maybe you can see it, but when you press this down, it will hop. Yep. Okay, so there's your little hopping frog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how your frog went in the comments. And once again, thank you for watching.